Hey guys, we got a question for you. Why do my trailer lights work for the running lights, but not blinkers or brake lights? Well, first on the list is you're going to want to decide or figure out if it is the vehicle that you're towing with that's having the issue or the trailer itself. So the first thing we recommend is testing the wiring on the vehicle itself. So you can use either one of these testers. The one on the right is a 7-pole, the one on the left is a 4-pole tester, and you can test if all the functions on your tow vehicle are working properly. If they're not, you want to check the fuse box to be sure something's not blown. Next, you'll want to check any damaged wires on the trailer itself. If you have any pinched or cut wires, you should be able to spot it pretty easily. Then you want to fix those wires. You could also have a ground issue on the trailer or on the towed vehicle. If you aren't having any functions on your 7-pole light up, maybe on your tester or on your trailer, that's probably a ground issue and not a fuse issue, because a fuse will have several functions that it serves, but then there's going to be multiple fuses for different functions on the 7-pole itself. And the last thing that we want you to check is to look for corrosion on your 7-pole. Or if you have a 4-pole, this particular trailer has a 4-pole. So you want to look to see if you got any corrosion. Like this connector it's okay. This one actually has a tester on it too. So it can read if it's getting a correct signal from the towed vehicle. But yeah, check out these testers. They will definitely be able to tell you if it's the vehicle or not. Or if it's the trailer.